a failure in the system. They were supposed to report suspected abuse against a little girl who wound up murdered. And the state says they didn't. Now they may be forced to shut down. Fighting to the end, 2 Euclid daycares plan on appealing the state's move to revoke their licenses after inspectors allege both facilities failed to report suspicions of abuse in the case of Anaya Day-Garrett.
The 4-year-old girl was allegedly murdered by her mother in mid-March following months of documented abuse. State inspectors say both of Anaya's daycares should have done more, but daycare officials say they're being made to be scapegoats for the failures at the county level. News 5's Jordan Vandenberg joins us live to sort all this out for us. So, Jordan, what happens now?
Well, under state law, both of these daycares have the right to appeal what the state is alleging. And the owners of both of these daycares say that's what they plan on doing. A license is the one thing that allows places like Harbor Crest Child Care Academy and Get Ready, Set, Grow Child Care Center to stay in business. And that's the one thing the state intends to take away. The Ohio Department of Job and Family Services sent both daycares these certified letters notifying them that they intend to revoke their licenses. The move comes a month after state inspectors cited both daycares for failing to report the suspected abuse of Anaya Day-Garrett, as is required by state law. The charges blindsided both daycares, especially Get Ready, Set, Grow. The owner says they didn't document suspicions that Anaya was being abused because they never suspected it. Anaya's mother and alleged killer, Sierra Day, once worked at the daycare. And the owner says if he had suspected that she was abusing her daughter, the daycare would have not only alerted authorities, but also fired Sierra in order to protect its business and clients. The state's decision to seek the revocation of Get Ready, Set, Grow's license perplexes the daycare's attorney. He tells News 5 the state is trying to pile on by bringing up minor previous issues that have already been corrected. And not only that, he says the state's move is disingenuous. Reason being, the state re-inspected and later approved the daycare's move to this building on Brush Avenue in mid-February. And if these alleged issues at the daycare weren't enough to prevent the daycare from moving, why are they enough to revoke its license now? As News 5 first reported, the Cuyahoga County Division of Children and Family Services made the initial complaints that prompted the state's investigations, despite it being under intense scrutiny for its handling of Anaya's case. Get Ready, Set, Grow's attorney says CFS is merely trying to pass the blame on to his clients, and the state is complicit in that. And according to state law, both of these daycares have 30 days to file their appeal and request a hearing. And if that is not done, their licenses will automatically be revoked. Reporting live in Euclid tonight, Jordan Vandenberg, News 5.